Hi everyone, today we are going to create a 3D Blender logo. We'll go through the following 3 steps. Import the logo image, add clean bubbles, apply Boolean operations. If you find something unclear or just have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. The official Blender logo kit is available online, so start by downloading it. You'll find the link to the official source in the video description. After downloading and unzipping the file, go to File, Import, Scalable Vector Graphics, and open Blender logo.svg in the logo kit. You should now see a colored curve object appear in your scene. In this tutorial, we'll only be working with the logo mark, so delete any unnecessary parts by pressing X. Convert all 3 curves into meshes. Right-click and choose Combat to, then select Mesh. We'll begin with the orange part, so hide the other 2. I'll be showing some exact numbers as we go, but in case your dimensions differ, just adjust them accordingly. Press Tab to enter edit mode. You'll find that some vertices are a bit too close together in certain areas, so let's merge them. Press A to select all and switch to vertex select mode. For this particular corner, hold Ctrl and deselect the vertices to keep the shape. Press M, choose by distance, and set the merge distance to 0.0002 meters. Press A to select all, press Ctrl F and select Beautify Faces. Then press I to insert the faces and set the width to 0.0045 meters. If you are adjusting this yourself, make sure your edges don't intersect. To check for that, I recommend enabling face orientation and the viewport overlays. It makes flipped faces easier to spot. With everything selected, press E and extrude along the Z-axis. Here I set it to 0.02 meters. After that, it's time to add a bevel. If you want a cutout look like in the thumbnail, select both the inner and outer edges. If you'd rather keep the white part visible, select only the outer ones. In this tutorial, we'll keep the white part visible. In Edge Select mode, pick one edge, then press Shift-G and choose Face Angles to select similar edges. Deselect any parts you don't want beveled, and press Ctrl-B to apply the bevel. Make sure it doesn't exceed the inset area, and use more segments for a smoother look. Apply Shade All Smooth and hide the object for now. These operations are also useful for creating 3D text bubbles. If you are interested, you can find a detailed explanation in another video. Check the link in the description. The remaining parts are simpler. For both of them, extrude by the same amount, press E along the Z-axis and set it to 0.02 meters. You'll notice that the meshes overlap, so let's fix that. Then select the white mesh and open the modifiers panel on the right side of the screen. Go to Add Modifier, Generate, Boolean, and add 2 Boolean modifiers. Set both to Difference, and under Object, select the orange and blue meshes. Click the small drop-down to apply each modifier. Finally, set the parents so they move together. And that's it. Try customizing it your own way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.